I am Carmen Robinson. I am the Director of Undergraduate Affairs, and I am the Director of the MESA Engineering Program. MEP is actually a program where it's an academic achievement program for underrepresented students in engineering. So that's women, people of color, and low SES, but it's a great program for our engineering students. You know, we've had students that come in and, you know, they maybe, you know, hear about MEP word of mouth, but before then they were struggling, and we've had students say, I struggled, and then I found MEP, and that was my home. That's, you know, where there were people like me that were bright and interested in the same things that I'm interested in, and I think that's so important. It's so great to find people that are interested in the same thing and are kind of going through the same things that you are, because they could meet other people outside of the school, but that's totally different, right? I mean, those could be wonderful relationships, but you meet someone else that is doing the same thing that you're doing, and you guys can talk about it and feel validated in the things that you're doing, and I think that's so important. It is important to have a community, especially for students of color, because it's easy to feel like you're erased. That you don't belong somewhere because you're not a part of that group. But things have to change, and things are changing, and it's so important to have diversity in tech specifically. So to find your home and to have that sense of belonging really gives you the confidence that you need to even be successful in those classes, and to know, like, I might be doing well in the class, but I can help someone else do better in the course. You know, providing that service and working together to build people up, and everyone can be successful. I am actually a first-generation college student, and one of the things that, as I went along in my career, I was thinking, there are things I didn't know, and there are so many bumps that I had along the way, you know, not because my parents weren't involved, but they didn't understand, you know, a lot of the pieces to me going to school. But the thing was, I took out a lot of loans, and, you know, I went to grad school and I didn't know what I wanted to do, and then I went to grad school again, and then I was like, I do know what I want to do. So for me, it's just helping students not make the same mistakes that I did, you know, help them be successful without having to go along in the bumps that are ahead, you know, that was really important to me. So really, I just wanted to support students, and it was really important to me to do that. You know, try to find someone that you can talk to. Find a mentor. Mentors are so important, and I didn't have that when I was in school, and I didn't realize how important it was until, you know, you're trying to get a network, right? But those are the people who tell you where to go, what to do, and that mentor could be anybody, and they can't do everything for you, but it's nice to get advice from someone, especially in the industry. So I would say also come to events, because there's so many industry professionals who want to talk to students. So I would definitely say get a mentor.